Stars in the sky. There are two kinds of double stars that we'll be interested in observing. A visual double star is a star where each of the two components are visible in a telescope. You can actually see the two stars next to one another. And in some cases, as these two stars orbit around one another, you can see the motion of the two stars orbiting one another after only a few years of watching. Another kind of binary star that we'll talk about in this course are spectroscopic binary stars. In a spectroscopic binary star, the two stars are so close together that we can't separate them. Even through a large telescope, they look like a single star. But we can tell that these stars are double by using a spectroscope to break the light from the star into its component colors, just as a prism breaks white light into a rainbow. Dark lines in the spectrum of the star come from elements absorbing particular colors of light. For example, look at these stellar spectra here. We see absorption lines, dark lines from hydrogen atoms, sodium atoms, calcium atoms, and many others. Astronomers can use spectra like these to tell what stars are made of, or to differentiate the different types of stars. We use this to classify stars into O, B, A, F, G, K, and M stars. And we also use these dark lines to determine if a star is moving towards us or away from us. If a star is moving towards us, the dark lines are shifted very slightly toward the blue end of the spectrum, while if the star is moving away from us, the lines are shifted very slightly to the red. When astronomers monitor a star that we think is a spectroscopic binary star, we look at these dark lines. If it's a spectroscopic binary, we will see the lines shifting back and forth as the stars orbit one another and the star comes towards us and away from us and towards us and away from us.